Fine.
Okay, hello guys. So today we're gonna presentate our through poster, and before that, we're gonna introduce ourselves. Start from me. I am Arkaan. Next off, there's Faresky, Keval, and there's Micky and Christian. And Aware is a platform that you could share, the platform and movement of mental health awareness. So after move on to that, we're gonna explain to the problem and solution. Will be explained with Chris.
Okay, so now I would like to explain about the problems and the solutions. Many people neglect mental health and avoid be discussing mental health because it's it causes fear and discomfort for them. And older generations often dismiss its importance. And the problem is Indonesia needs mental health and education to increase awareness. Now, the solution we offer is a mental health focused brand that shares information and creates meaningful clothing and coffee with unique stories and symbolism.
Okay, so next on, we're gonna explain the product and the product features. Will be explained by me. So as I mentioned before, Aware is a platform that focus on mental health movements, mental health awareness. So in product, we have media, the one that we focus on. So we start media to share and educate people to to know that how important mental health is. And after that, we have clothing. The design that we're gonna make into the product, it's gonna have the element of the mental health information that we share, and there's coffee. So we're gonna make the coffee name related to the mental health. For instance, there's the Nile with the taste of black coffee, and there's some words, encouraging words in there in the cup. And for the product features, media focus on authentic storytelling through visual content that inspires, educates, and builds community. From coffee offers premium quality and rich flavors, enhancing moment of connection. Clothing features modern, stylish design that reflects brand identity and uh foster and sense of belonging. Okay, so that's for product and product features. And next on, there's function. Will be explained.
Okay, so for the next one is functions. The media products from Aware serves as a platform to convey the brand's message and values through digital content that reflects the brand identity. First one, we got Aware as a community building, education, and engagement. The second product we have is Coffee, represents the brand focus on quality, taste, and the experience of connections, with the function of lifestyle representations, community interactions, and product offering. And the last one, we have a Aware clothing line, functions as a physical representations of the brand's identity and message, with the functions of expressions of values, community identity, and the last one is functional fashion.
Okay, so the next
Next,
point will be key resource that will be explained with by Pareski.
next up is key resources. So there are five main key resources here: financial resource, human resource, intellectual resource, physical resource, and wear clothing line. Whereas financial resource covers operational costs such as rents, salaries, inventory, for marketing budget, and funding for business growth. Human resource includes campaign creators such as marketers or designers, mental health experts such as psychologists and counselors, and barista staff for customer services. Third is intellectual resources, comprises brand assets such as logo, mission, hashtags, partnerships with mental health organizations, and mental health content. Fourth is physical resources, involves retail spaces, coffee shops or pop-ups, infrastructures such as coffee machine, decor or inventory, and campaign materials such as banners, flyers, and digital assets. The last is Aware's clothing line, serves as a brand representation through such as expression of values, community identity, and functional fashion.
Okay, for our revenue stream and cost structure, Aware as a brand revenue comes from product sales, coffee with mental health messages, and advocacy-driven clothing. Sponsored collaboration with mental health organization and social media campaigns and advertisement. The cost structure includes material sourcing, packaging, marketing, such as social media, partnership, operational infrastructure, and content creation for awareness campaign. For our key partnership business, we choose Rosos Micro Roastery for our coffee bean supplier and Greens Production for our apparel vendor. We choose Playdate Kemang and Goods Dep for our distribution partners. And for our potential strategic collaboration, we'll choose Yayasan Kesehatan Pendidikan Mental and Sentra Disabilitas Indonesia.
Okay.
Okay, so moving on, the product differentiation. Aware Media differentiates itself through first purpose with a different approach, and embedding mental health advocacy in products and content. And the next one is holistic engagement, encouraging active participation beyond just sharing information. Next one, we got a community centered, building a sense of belonging through collaborations. And the last one is visual and emotional appeal, using meaningful visuals and inspiring message for deeper connections. Unlike Vocative, Aware seamlessly integrates mental health advocacy into lifestyle products, creating a more immersive and impactful experience.
So for the last one is value proposition. The diagram outlines Aware's value proposition, emphasizing mental health awareness through products and services. It identifies customer jobs, like spreading awareness, purchasing quality coffee and clothing, supporting social causes, and seeking inspiration. Customers desire stylish, meaningful products and a sense of belonging, but face challenges like a lack of mental health, focuses brands, superficial messaging, and affordability concerns. Aware addresses this through high-quality coffee with unique messages, trendy self-expressive clothing, and collaborations with mental health organizations. Pain reliefs include consistent quality, supportive content, and an inclusive brand experience aligning with Aware's mission. Maybe that is all from us, from our presentation about our infographic. Thank you and God bless you.